couple of days out. I've been moving since last week. I traveled all the way to Vegan, and then I went straight to Clark, and then Manila for a couple of days. I decided to spend the morning and give the morning to me. With that said, as an Aries girly, I'm gonna make the impulsive decision to get my hair done right now. I just took a shower, gymmed. I was supposed to go to the range, but because of all the cost-cutting measures they're implementing at Country Club, I'm not able to. So I'd rather just get my hair done. Was it part of my agenda today? Nope. But honestly, I looked at my roots and I'm like, more than the discoloration and the growth, I have a lot of white hair, and I think that's part of being 30. Accepting it with grace, but I don't like it because it makes my hair look messy and not put together. So I'm gonna still get my hair colored, and I might chop off my hair. I'm considering getting a little bit of bangs or just some layers, a long bow. Let's see. I just need my hair to be a little lighter and easier to manage. That's the goal. Let's see. I'm gonna check out Pinterest. Oopsies. Okay, there's a man crossing. I didn't see him, but I stopped because it's a pedestrian. I want medyo short now. Oo, init eh. I don't know kung mas bagay. Hanggang dito lang.
Parang hindi lang gano'n.
Out, yes. Pero may slightly shorter. Kaya.
Pero, kaya naman. Parang gano'n. Tapos hindi na lang natin gano'n kataas ng yung layers para hindi siya kapal.
Ano, isang crab bao guy, yung chicken.
Sa kapal guy.
And then with egg siya.
This one?
Yes. And then, Coke Zero.
No rice, ma'am?
May wala pang rice daw.
Wala po.
Oh, masyadong madami ba? May rice meal ba? Never. Okay. Sige, I'll get that na lang. One rice. Thank you. Where are we going, Mother? I forgot my jacket.
Grabe yung yung the Dream Academy. It's bad.
Why?
For them. Like the
girls that get
elimination na. No. I mean like how they did it. Like parang okay naman na syempre may makakat naman talaga, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Not
How did
everyone
they do
naman.
it, ma'am?
Parang yung last parang okay, they asked the I think 18 contenders, parang if you were to put up your girl group, who among you, sino yung form mo, parang gano'n. So ranking, 'di ba? So syempre mahirap 'yon, 'di ba? Kasi magkakaibigan 'yan. But then nung yung naalis na apat, parang sabi niya, kaya nga hindi siya, sabi niya, if that's gonna be the case, I don't really want to be part of that group. Kasi nung sinabi daw sa kanila 'yon, di syempre it's hard for them to choose. But then pinagpili sila, so parang ang sinabi niya na lang niya na ang sinabi is hindi ipapakita yung votes. Hindi naman nalaman. Pero lumabas na kunwari, si Sofia got 18. Ganyan, gano'n, diba? Tapos may nakuha ng 0. So, yung 0 na naalis, syempre she felt bad na parang all the while I thought like I'm okay with my friends, ganyan. Di ba like at least yung closest to you, you would I think consider.
I haven't watched it. Why are you so into it? Oh,
Hindi, ang ganda lang ng training kasi nila.
interesting.
Pero parang ang point doon, di ba,
But you
Shai?
know of Cat's Eye?
Hindi. Nakita ko lang yung tapos parang nalaman ko lang na yung lead nila nga is si Sofia. Because she's getting the highest votes. Filipino eh.
Hi. Hi.
Physical.
Mm-mm.
O di, the
And
dream
like
become
existing.
na parang from the
My
start. O, di
Dream
ba?
car also.
Pero matagal na po.
Oo. Cute.
Maalaga lang kasi sila.
So nice. So, may pwede din mag-sleep here? Or
Wala. Yung ganito lang
Ito
na
lang yung
concept
vibe.
na open na. Sceneries kasi ang ano nila eh.
actually, ang ganda ng view. May, yan yung radar. Oh,
So it's so
nice.
happen na budol system kami dito sa ganito. Kasi yung dati kasi siya Victoria.
Oo.
Yan lang first na title 350. Eventually binudol na kami ng 4 na
I-expand.
title. Oh, pero ikaw na yung may na sige na kunin nyo na utangin nyo na kung kailangan namin saka
Yeah.
yung gano'n
Oo,
na
that's
tayo sabi
nice.
nila na kung
Actually,
para sa'yo
Tita, yung Balakbak area, ang dami ng nagtatayuan
nagpapayuan.
here. Oo. And nabibenta. Say hi, Rasha. Before ba, nung high school ka, nagka-face ko din ba ng mag-scrapbook? Parang scrapbook.
Oo. Nung high school ako, I need to write.
Right?
So, parang
Ba't hindi ka taga-Baguio eh? I overheard.
yeah, asawa na
Love that. Na-convince.